How to backup files to OneDrive on Windows 11. Open the settings and here you will see in the home cloud storage. Make sure you are signed with your Microsoft account. Then just click on sign in to OneDrive and complete this signing process. And also you can get this option by clicking on system, storage and advanced storage settings, backup options, and here just sign in with your Microsoft account and click on setup syncing. So Sam, enter your OneDrive email and password, then sign in. That's it. Thanks for watching. How to backup files to OneDrive on Windows 11.